Hello there, welcome to today's lesson. So today we shall be looking at common seeds and how they germinate. So seeds are used to grow many of the foods we eat. Seeds are mostly found in fruits. Some common seeds are mango seed, orange seed, maize seed, and then grains. So with all these seeds, one can uh, produce new crops or new plants. So in this lesson, we shall learn how some common seeds such as maize and bean seeds germinate. So the process by which seeds grow into seedlings is known as germination. So germination is a process by which seeds grow into what? Seedlings. So what makes up a seed? So we are going to look at the parts that make up what? A seed. So the parts that makes up a seed, we have the seed coat, we have the embryo, and then we have the seed leaf. So these are the three main parts that what makes up a seed. So in this picture, you can see the three main parts of a seed. You have the food supply there, you have the seed coat, and then you have the embryo as well. So these form the three parts or the three main parts of the seed. So let's take a look at the various parts of the seed. So with the first part, we have the seed coat. So the seed coat is what covers the seed. Its function is to protect what is inside the seed from any harm. Some seeds like maize and beans have hard coats, while some seeds like tomatoes and pepper seeds have soft coats. So you have the seed coat in the image. So that is the seed coat. Let's take a look at the other part, which is the embryo. So the embryo is a very important part of every seed. The embryo, which is also known as the baby plant, is found inside the seed. When a seed has all the right conditions it needs to grow, it is the embryo that germinates into a seedling. Let's take a look at the third part, which is the food store or the seed leaf. So the seed leaf is the part of the seed that stores and supplies food to the embryo. The seed leaf also provides the nutrients needed for the growth of the embryo, that is the baby plant. Some seeds germinate with only one seed leaf. An example is the maize seed. Other seeds germinate with two leaves. An example is the bean seed. Seeds that germinate with one leaf are called monocots, and seeds that germinate with two leaves are called dicots. So in the image there, you can see the food store or the seed leaf there as well. So when seeds are planted and given the right conditions, they grow to become big or adult plants. Plants need certain basic things to live and grow into big or adult plants. The right conditions a seed needs to help grow includes the following. So 1, we have oxygen or air. 2, we have water, and then we have temperature, which is the same as sunlight. All seeds need water, air, and proper temperature to germinate. So these are some of the basic things or the things that a plant need to grow, or a seed needs to grow. So we have air, we have water, and then we have temperature. So let's take a look at germination of a bean seed. So when a bean seed is planted and watered for some days, the seed absorbs the water from the soil. The embryo, which is the baby plant in the seed, begins to swell bigger and bigger. The seed coat of the bean seed begins to peel off after 3 days or more. This will give way for the root to shoot downwards into the soil. The root takes in water from the soil. The water gives energy to the growing embryo to sprout after 3 to 5 days. The seed splits open and the baby plant shoots out of the soil upwards. The embryo sprouts with 2 tiny leaves and the baby stem begins to curl up. It takes a bean seed about 7 to 10 days to germinate fully. So in the picture there you have a bean seed and then the process of germination occurring there. So we first have the seed and then the embryo and then the seed coat peeling off for the cotyledon to sprout out or to come up, and then you have the leaves as well, so that makes up the plant or the bean plant. Good. So this brings us to the end of the lesson. I hope I've been helpful with this lesson. Hopefully we shall meet some other time. Bye bye.